Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Video's coming out here a little bit later today, but that's okay. All right, we are sitting up here in a very good amount of profit here for a trade we took in our masterclass. I want to be explaining that to you guys. We're up about 25% right now, and I did call out a Telegram exit for a 50% exit. Those of you guys who are following us, you guys just got that not too long ago, so I want to go over that. And we'll go over Mana, see how high we can go, because I do think this is a time, if you have not exited some money out of Mana, to possibly take some exits out right now. So we're going to go over that in today's video. Okay, guys, we're currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins on our channel. We've never lost a crypto trade. And in the second half of this video, I'll show you guys how to actually get into our program, how we're trading this, how we've never lost a trade, how, I'm trading over here with, $150,000 of my own money. In the last 48 hours, we're up about $4,000. So it's been a really nice gain. So let's go over this, and I'll show you guys in the second half of the video what I'm talking about as far as getting into our trades. Okay, here's the Telegram post that I just did. It's way down here. That I just did for everybody. I'm exiting 50% of the Mana trade that I took in the masterclass in the inner circle right now, and I'm leaving the 50% in here. Okay, what am I talking about? Those of you guys who are new to the channel, you guys are like, man, what is this guy talking about? Let me explain to you real quick for you guys, the followers that we have, and then I'll give you guys the assessment here. What I ended up doing in this bear market was entering in two chunks of money. I entered in $35,000 into the market, and this was back here. I'll show you guys proof of this. This was $35,000 right over here. And then I ended up buying these 7 coins. You guys can see this right there. Okay. I bought this on the dip, and it was right around this lower level here. Okay. And then I came out 48 hours later. I was trying to do it the next day, but Coinbase actually wouldn't allow me to deposit the funds. So I came out after that, and then I came up with a masterclass down here to show you guys how to actually enter into the markets with the $14,000. And I ended up buying in this inner circle class right here that I taught you guys. I bought 2 coins. I bought Mana as well as I bought Matic. And so those 2 coins I actually ended up buying in this masterclass right here that I taught you guys about the equator. Okay. So the trade that I'm talking about today that we're in the profit of 25% is the trade that I showed you guys how to take in here. I know a lot of you guys, hundreds of you guys have watched this already. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. But we'll go over more analysis for Mana so everyone can benefit from this. Okay. What I've already called out, since we got an entry here in that masterclass, this is where I had an entry. So go under orders, and then we'll go to the filled orders. Mana got picked up here, and you guys can see the 50% sell here. Mana got picked up here at 217.9, okay? So 217.9 is when we got picked up, and that's right down here at 217, very close around there, this price, okay? From that price of where we're currently at right now, of when I called that exit, it was right at 25% profit. So that's an exit we took. Now, what I'm doing, just so you guys know real quick, is I'm leaving the other 50% of that trade in the market until we come back up above and we break into the profit on the original trade. So there's 2 trades. There's the original trade we've always had on this chart, and that's over here for Mana, and that started on December 27th, and we have a break-even entry at 311, which we're very close to hitting. And then this other trade that we're just taking 50% profit on. So the other 50%, basically the easiest way to say this, the entry that we got down here, guys, I'm just going to exit that once we're in the profit up here. We may need to wait a few days, but that's all I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to keep this super, super simple for everybody, okay? All right, let's take a look at the analysis here for Mana. Are we expecting to see a move back down? And I do believe we are, and I'll give you guys projections there. The trend dashboard is showing us what retail trader indicators are looking like this morning. This is showing us that the majority of their indicators are actually bullish. So I think what people are doing this morning is they may actually start buying the dip here and then seeing a move back up. That's what we could see. Or because retail traders are so aggressive at buying pumps at kind of the wrong times, honestly, this could be where we start dropping down very fast. Now let's take a look at the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. This is what I used this morning to call the 50% exit. When we see the trend exhaustion in the top red section here and the well money flow very high, this is where we're looking for drops back down in the market. Okay. Previous time when we got up here and the well money flow was high, we ended up seeing this drop in the market right there. Okay. Previous time before that, we ended up seeing this. We saw well money flow moving up here, trend exhaustion high, and that's when we got the crash. And then we saw up here, we actually saw a divergence forming on the chart where we ended up seeing a high and another higher high in price action. And this is probably one of the most powerful ways to use these indicators is if money flow is moving out of the market, trend exhaustion is moving down while price action is trying to move up, guys. This is a precursor for a huge drop. Okay. Previous time before that, Trend exhaustion got high, well money flow got high, and it called the drop in the market right here. Guys, these three indicators are on sale right now in our bundle pack for 82% off. It's in the description. Unshamefully talking about it in this video, guys. This is how we exit trades in the profit and how we've actually exited 102 wins in a row, and we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for that, okay? Now, why did I exit 50%? Trend exhaustion was high, well money flow was high. I am expecting to see a pullback here in Mana. I do think we could see what's called a break and a retest back down to the descending support line now, which would be right around that 241, maybe 250 quarters theory area, and we'll just simply get picked up on another buy limit if you guys want to get back into the trade. Okay, let's look at the metrics now for Mana. Take a look at this, guys. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these are going to update. So the emotional index this morning on Mana is definitely excited, okay? People are very excited. They're even, we may actually even push up into the greedy section. What's happened in the previous times when we get excited? We've seen a drop back down on the market. We got greedy over here and we saw the drop. Excited, we saw this drop back down. We saw a drop over here. This one didn't see a big of a drop, so we started to head back up. But the majority of the time, when retail traders are excited and greedy, this is where wells and institutions and smart money actually take short trades out to liquidate people out of their long positions. The kind way of putting that, okay? Trades in favor right now are definitely sitting up here in short trades. So overall, the metrics as well as the indicators are calling for a reversal move back down. Look at this on top of all that. The well and institutional smart money is coming out and we are seeing a drastic increase of short trades down here. And when this happens in the past, we are seeing the price move back down. Price movement moved up over here and people got into the market thinking, oh my gosh, Mana's going to just go. It's going to the moon. No, if you guys looked over here and with our membership, you guys get access to these metrics. You guys saw the short trades come out and this is why the market dropped. Okay, this is another bearish sign in the market for Mana. Now, could Mana head up even further? Yeah, obviously it can head up. It could do whatever it wants. But with historical data in our metrics and indicators, we are looking for a move down, which is why I exited 50% to lock in those profits. Okay, guys? Take a look at this. Support and resistance prices. The next resistance I'm looking at is sitting between this, 281 to 310. I think the whole number of $3 is the greatest resistance, and it's going to act as a resistance because people just know $3 is a great place. We got close here, guys, and we're seeing the movement back down. So I wouldn't doubt if that even acts as a barrier for Mana to continue to head back up. Okay, we're starting to see this happen over here where we're very overextended and we're due for that move down. Looking at dollar cost average entries, guys, if you have $10,000 or let's say $100 and you put $1,000 into each of these green lines and you hold for 5 to 10 years, your account is going to do so well. Exit points in the market coming out here. We can see an exit point called over there. This is another reason why I called out in Telegram for all of our members. Look for the exit on Mana because this is called the drops in the past very well. Okay, guys? Now, all the metrics as well as the indicators, these are looking for bearish signs in the market back down. How do you get access to all this? How do you guys trade with us? How do you get into, viewing these metrics every day? Let me show this to you guys. Our pricing over here is so ridiculously cheap, and it is going to be going up February 25th. So here's the deal, guys. Our membership right now, you guys can come in here and snag this. I'm calling this the Secure Your Spot campaign. You seriously want to come over here and secure your spot, guys. $49 a month is going to give you access to all the metrics you just saw for all 12 of our coins. It's going to give you access to all of the buy limits and sell limits, basically all of our trade setups we've ever taken that I even take myself to make all of our profits. And it's also going to give you guys access into a thing we have called the Inner Circle, which is where I'm going to be coming out with masterclass level teachings. I've already come out with this. Please watch this, guys. You will make more money if you watch this video, I promise, okay? This is actually how I took the Mana trade in this video so you guys can see full transparency of how I did it, okay? We are also going to be going live on Zoom here in March, so you guys can join me on Q&A sessions about the market so we can all be together. Incredible things planned for the people who are getting into the $95 a month membership, but if you guys are watching this video right now, you can secure your spot at $49 a month. I will never make you pay more than $49. The system is set up so if you get in at $49 a month right now and when it goes to $95, you will be grandfathered in for life. It will not go up in price on you ever. Ever, guys. As long as you keep your membership, you will stay there. Okay, let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now. So if you see Mana right now and we're looking for this move back down, let me show you how to get into a trade setup now so you can actually make some money on this and trade with us, okay? If you go to the front page here under trade setups, I want you guys to scroll down to the bottom section here of where it says Decentraland. This is actually where Mana is called. So Mana and Decentraland are the same. Click in here. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on Bitcoin right now because I want to make sure I keep it private for our subscribers. Okay, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is going to update for everybody. So make sure you guys are watching out for this, and it will say February 1st instead of January 31st. All right, guys, here's how you trade our strategy. Guys, honestly, this thing is like so ridiculously simple. Choose the amount you want to enter this trade with. Let's just say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Now take this $250 and place this $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, and $250 here, okay? Really simple. Now, once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for a 100% exit. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. That's all you guys are doing, okay? Once you do that, follow me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators. This is also where I'm calling out the exits for the trades that we're in, like I just did on Mana. Okay, I'm also giving you guys updates of when I come out with master classes so you guys can see those, as well as when we do Zoom calls with you guys, you're going to be able to get those notifications as well. The Telegram channel is like where you want to be, guys. It's where the hot stuff's happening, okay? So make sure you guys get in over to the Telegram channel. Now, the last thing I want to say, how are we able to call these drops in the market? How am I able to predict this? I do think we're going to see move down here. It's with the indicators, guys. The indicators you guys want right now are these 3. It's the price versus money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. But we've got the sell on the bundle pack going on right now that's been going on for a while, but you guys, it actually ended up going up as a greater discount the other day. We are up to 82% off the bundle pack. This is a ridiculous deal. Guys, the 3 you need down here, you're going to get 40 to 60% off all of our individual indicators. And if you want to buy them individually, that's totally fine. Just make sure you use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. And then once you guys do that, you'll be able to get access to, the indicators. But the best deal, guys, without a doubt, is to get the bundle pack because you're going to actually save yourself an extra 42% on all of our indicators by just getting the bundle pack instead of buying these individually. And you guys get the indicators for life, and you get the source code of them, and they're not a monthly subscription. Purchase them once, get them for life, and with the bundle pack, you get all 9 of these indicators instead of just the 3, which is basically the exact same price. Very close. It's just a little bit more. Okay, guys? So that's the bundle pack. Make sure you guys are snagging that today. That's how we're calling exits in the market, and that's why I'm predicting this move back down here for us, and we're exiting 50%. All right, guys. I love you. Have an amazing day. God bless you guys so much. Great job for those of you guys who are trading with me. Make sure you guys get the indicators in the description, and making sure you guys are setting up your membership over here so you guys can get in at $49 a month before it goes to $95 a month. You guys definitely want to be snagging this. And then you guys literally only have, if you don't count today, you have 24 days left. 24 days. It's not at the end of the month. It's February 25th. We're going to up it to 95. So this month, some crazy things are happening. So make sure you guys get in at $49 a month right now so you do not miss this. This is the biggest update we've ever done on this website. And so what we got coming out, you do not want to miss that. Secure your spot right now, guys, in the membership. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Have an amazing day. I'll come out with a couple more videos today to give you guys market updates. But congratulations, guys. Everybody who took that profit here, you guys made about 25% on that from 217, where I showed you guys that entry. That's right about there. 217. It was 2179. So 218 is actually closer. Let me just pulse here. It's 25% when I exited this morning. I just want to show it to you guys again here. It's very, very close. And we exited actually up here. So about 25% profit we made on that. So great job, guys. I'll keep you updated. Get into the buy limits to get into some new trades. The market is overall turning around right now. And follow me in the Telegram channel. Indicators, membership are in the description. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Make sure you snag them. Bye, guys.